Hello and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's me again. Are you bored yet? No? Well, come on then. Let's go and have a look and see what we can find today, eh? It's a glorious day. We're back out in Leicester. And today I've brought my pal along with me. His name's, well, let's just say Kevska. So hello, Kevska.
Hello, guys.
There you go. I was along for the trip today. So, like I say, we're in Leicester. I'm going to walk backwards because I've got the sun in the opposite direction. You won't be able to see me otherwise. But today's location, again, it's by a friend. Link will be in the description. She's got a YouTube channel herself. She's kindly given me a few locations to get me up and running in respect of the channel that I'm creating. But as you can see behind me, if I walk to the side, I'm in the middle of nowhere, in a valley, again in Leicester. It's a beautiful day. Apparently where I've got to go is somewhere in a forest there. So that's the location. It's somewhere in the middle of that forest there. So what I'll do is I'll just get the kind of gist of where I've got to go, and then I'll look back up with you guys and take you on the journey with me. It's going to be a good one. So here we go. This is the forest that we've got to enter. There's kind of a little trail in here that somebody's created. You can see, well, you can clearly see that this fence is down, and somebody's kindly put some up here so you can get across. This is something that other YouTubers would have done for each other to get across. This looks like some kind of orchid. Well, it did. This is definitely, yeah, this is my mate. Look how uniform it is. There's footmarks here, and there's a trail coming down here. Can't go that way, so let's come back here and round. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a bit of an oddball, isn't it? Right, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to have a quick look on the map and make sure we're in the right place, so we'll be back. Right, welcome back. I've just been on social media, only just managed to get through signal wise. It's a good job I did, otherwise we would have been continuing down this woods and absolutely going nowhere. We ain't that far from where we should be, but we've got to come back where we just came from and take a slightly different route, which you'll see in a minute. But just come up the embankment. Here's this structure here. Now I know exactly what that is. That is a vent for air to escape, which means that underneath this hill that we're currently standing on, as you can see how high it is, there should be a tunnel. And to help me out in respect of making me think that this probably is the right way, there shouldn't be a well-beaten path here. You've got woods there, that's all barbed wire off. You've got a field there that gets regularly done by farmers. There should not be a well-beaten path here. There's no right of way in respect to walking dogs and whatnot. So, without further ado, we're going to continue down this path and see what we come across. And this bank is getting higher and higher the further we go along. It's doing this much justice, but oh my days, that is very, very steep. Very, very steep. I wouldn't be surprised if I slip once or twice trying to get down here. So I'm going to really take my time. You can see where other people have slid down on the back side. Literally. So I can see something down there. Oh, I can see something down there. There's a brick structure down there. What have we got? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, just look how that tree's fell. How are you getting on? Oh, well, if I didn't give you an indication of how steep it was coming down, there's an indication looking up. Yeah, and if I hold the camera correctly, I'd be looking into nothing. Now, if I'm looking where I've got to go, that's the gradient. Well, someone's been hacking at this tree, look, trying to make it go. I don't know why. It's a huge tree. But anyway, let's continue. This is, oh, loads of people have slid at this point. Absolute loads. Be careful, hold on to that tree, Kevin. Use it as you guide, as you steady. Whoa! Yes, I went. Oh, that slime up there is me, and yes, I fell straight on my backside. Yeah, you can laugh, mate, because I'm going to record you coming down to see if it happens to you. No holding on to the tree. Come on. Here we go. You're not allowed to hold on to the big one, but you can reach for that one, like I tried to. No holding on to the big one. Come on. It's a good job you stopped, because oh my days, that's a big drop. How are we getting down there? No way, look at all them slippery marks, man. How the hell are we getting down there? What? Wow. I do not know what to say.
I ain't got the right clothes on to get down there, bro.
Wow, I can remember actually seeing a video of this, but it was the summertime and they were sliding down on the back side. I reckon, Kevska, if we go across there and then use these trees to slowly make our way back down. If we can walk on that where it's grassy there, I think we'll be fine. Do I want to record myself doing this? No. Am I going to? Yes. Why? Because I'm an idiot.
I'm not.
Why? We can find a way, trust me. Look, come this way where I'm coming.
I ain't gonna get fucking back up here.
Yeah, you use the 2 trees like I just did. One there, one there. Just take your time. Oh. Wow. There's an entrance to something. How you going on, Kev? That's it. Now go further up, or come across there, and just use the trees. I'm literally. Hey, there's an entrance. I can see it from here. There's an entrance right just there, right at the side of the tree. I can see it. And if I step a little bit more this way, I can see it perfectly. It's definitely an entrance. Come on, Kevska. As long as we're going sideways. Oh, this is going to be easy now. It's not as slippy here, and we've got rocks as well. Kev, there's rocks here, mate. I think we'll be all right. There you go. I use these rocks here. You've actually got rocks coming all the way down. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was using, the rocks. If you go down the rocks, you can stop at this tree just there. Whereas me, I continued on the slippy bit. Don't know why. But there's more rocks. Here we go. And do you know what? It looks like this path continues in the opposite direction. And the only reason that could be is because there would have been tracks that would have been going into the tunnel, coming all the way that way, more than likely into Leicester or the nearest village, whatever it would have been.
This is off the beaten track, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it would have been tracks. It would have gone in that direction or in that direction. But either way, whichever way it would have gone, in respect to delivering, there would have been vehicles to offload, and then it would have been probably taken to the hub of Leicester then, or further afield. But anyway, there we are. After one fall and half a fall, we managed to get, ooh, check you out. Ooh, I like a bit of fungi. I'm a bit of a fungi. There's not much room on there for you, is there? All right, enough puns. Let's go. Yeah, I consider all mushrooms. Eh? Yeah, I consider all mushrooms edible. No, I'm saying I consider all mushrooms edible. Someone's made a swing here at some point, look. I think I know who that just might be. I think we might be at 2 locations, you know. Somebody, get out of it. Somebody used a blowtorch to cut this hole. Wow, some of the things people do. That's crazy. Someone actually used a blowtorch. What that would have been like, standing there cutting that. Absolutely, it's absolutely, I don't know why it's that tall. It's massive. Well, we're here. I'm going to have a quick fag after that. You wouldn't think so. Struggling to get my breath back, but I'm going to have a quick fag. And then I'll be back with you, and we're going to have an investigation in here, eh? How's that? I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so right, we've been standing here rolling the fag, just looking through the hole, which is just there. Someone's blown torch a big hole, so that ain't getting covered again, because the authorities come out here, they're going to be like, yeah, we ain't covering that, because they're just going to blow torch it again. But anyway, while we've been standing here, we've heard nothing but creepy noises coming from within. And I tell you what, you can see better in the camera than what I can with my own mince pies. How's that? That's crazy. But we've been hearing some right weird noises in there. So I'm just going to finish the fags off and then we go. Oh, that looked awesome.
Effect.
Yeah, man. That looks awesome. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, first impression. A lot of rubbish, a lot of waste. Wet. Muddy. And the effect of the smoke coming off the cigarette, I mean, that's an effect in itself, that. So, here we go. I don't think this is the location that we should be at, but nevertheless, we're here. Oh dear, that's not what I'm supposed to have done. Don't tell me I've broke my torch. Oh, I think I have. Oh dear. Right, I'm just going to put the camera away so I can get this torch working. It seems finally got the torch working. Just hope that the torch don't go out. Kev says he found some up here. What did you find, Kev?
A bit on here, a bit spooky.
Strangers warned.
Me.
Oh yeah, strangers be warned. Yeah. I think that's by other explorers. What does that say? I wish my... Yeah, I ain't gonna read that or show that. Yeah. Okay. Wow. It seems the camera is struggling a little bit.
Not so good, that.
Yeah, it's what I can see with my eyes is better than what I'm seeing on the recording. I don't know if it's going to come across for you guys, but I have got some really good torches that are currently en route for delivery. This actually has a really good torch. To my eye, it looks fine, but to the camera, for some reason, the aperture just ain't liking it. The eye is struggling a little bit. Fern Vale Gap. still got all the hardcore down on the ground. Well, say still, this wouldn't have been here actually, I don't think. Would have been a hard, flat surface.
That light there on the floor, is that there then?
What, can you see something further down?
There's a light on the floor. Yeah.
I can see something further up ahead, yeah. Wow.
There then. You know what we've seen when we first went to hill?
Yeah. This torch I'm using is pretty bright, but that's how dark it is in this place. Wowzer. Okay. There's a lot of these culverts about. I'll tell you what, depending on how this looks in editing, might have to come back here with one of the really big torches that's, as we speak, en route for delivery. It's like people have been having a feast down there. There's a pie tray.
Yeah.
Someone's had a fire. I wonder how far this tunnel actually goes then.
I want that a fire here.
Yeah, I've just walked by one as well.
And this is the vent underneath what we videoed when we first come in.
Wow. Looks like something out of a Batman film.
Yeah.
Water dripping down.
Oh, it's getting a bit dark under it.
Wow. Remember, Kevska, keep getting your lighter out and just keep trying it. It is getting darker. You're right. It's either that or the torches are not as bright, but I don't think that's the case. Naturally, the further we go in, the darker it's going to get.
Yeah.
So, what's that?
Flash of light up there.
A flash of light? You sure? Sure it's not you?
No.
No, straight away. No. That actually looks like someone looking in right at the bottom. I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera, but the old way we're coming, it looks like someone standing there looking in. That looks weird. Okay, Kev says he's seen a light up there. Okay. Just heard a squeak. Did you hear the squeak? Like a mouse or something, or a rat. You just scare yourself then. This is spooky. What, you seen it again? You keep trying your lighter to make sure the air we're breathing. That's another thing we'll have to do. Get something that, you know, detects gases. That's not very good for breathing. Places like this, it's vital. You don't want to be walking so far in and then before you know it, start getting all giddy and thinking everything's okay, because that's what it does. Makes you think everything's all right, and before you know it, you're laying on the floor and you're unconscious, and then you're more likely dead. All right, do you just want to walk ahead a little bit, Kev? Because I seem to go there. This is crazy.
You want to put your camera on like normal vision instead of night vision, just the view of what we see.
It's on normal record. I've not changed any settings. It's supposed to automatically do it on the setting that I've got. But this place is just that damn dark. Some places are just that dark that you need a really good torch, which is, like I said, I've got one on the way. Like if I shine the torch in front of there, that's how the big one will be, but like really wide. Because if I open this one up like that, it's great for our viewing, but it's not for the camera. Oh, we have an echo. Yeah. Is that a big lump of earth there in front of us, or am I just seeing things? Yeah, because it's getting all
wet and muddy.
Yeah.
That sucked the shoe off.
That sucked his shoe off. All right, so. Oh, yeah, did you hear that? That was me. Yeah, it is good. Very. I don't know if it's picking it up, but basically, what you see there, right there, is the top of the ceiling, and it is a big lump of earth. That's all earth. Big mound. No, I don't even think there'll be a way through that. No, that's proper steel. Do you know where I think that's come through? I think if we walked back, we'd see another one of them air vents. Because I'm sure, can you see a semicircle there? Just there. In black, a little semicircle. That looks like the outline of another air vent. I think that was infilled. How did someone get some artwork up there? It's crazy. But yeah, that's all. It's all backfilled in, and this is all. Well, yeah. Ked nearly lost his boot. Just went that way.
Anybody go? And spirits?
Just had an orb. It looks like shiny glitter. I don't know if you can see that. It just looks like thousands and thousands of diamonds all over the floor. You see it all glittering. Everywhere I walk, look, it just looks. Let's get focus again and bring it back down again. There we go, look, it just looks like thousands and thousands of glitter just. The last time I saw something like that, it was on a documentary, and it weren't actually anything like physical, as in like a stone or anything. It was actual radiation. I'm not saying that is what it is. It's just what it reminds me of. Weird. Really weird. I'm doing another call, Kev. I'm doing another call. Hey? You want to turn it? No, I can't turn it off. If I turn it off, it won't come back on. I'm having a problem with it, ain't I?
Any spirits there? And covered? Sure? Okay.
Can you hear someone?
Right.
Either that echoed or that was someone saying hello back then. Let me come closer to you and then continue with your ghost calling, because that's your thing, isn't it, Kev?
You showed presence, did you hear? Noise? Try something? Not at us, please.
Is anybody here? Can you give us a sign? Make noise? Can you say something? Can you whisper in Kev's ear? Can you poke him? Did you hear that?
I had that too.
And that was 100% either somebody else is shortly going to be with us, or that was something being thrown down there. If that was you, can you do it again? Holy shit.
You do it again?
If that was you that made a noise, could you do it again? We definitely got two bangs on the first two times that we asked. There were two definite.
Second one was loud.
Yeah, unless somebody is down there, which we'll find out when we do get down there. But let's go a bit further down towards the noise that we heard, and then we'll do a bit more calling.
It's like someone standing in the old.
I said that ever since we got so far away from it that it looked to me like somebody was just standing there, peering in, watching us disappear. Are you breathing heavy?
Huh?
I just heard something over my right shoulder, which is your direction, there's something breathing heavy. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was that direction. Oh, the direction we're facing now.
Do that again.
it's coming from that direction. Unless this tunnel's playing tricks with the echo. Can you hear that? Sounded like something was sliding across the floor. Spooker. This tunnel is definitely spooker. Tell you what, guys, if you ever get a chance to come to this place, worth exploring if you're into the ghost hunting. We've definitely got some activity, and I keep hearing heavy breathing every time I turn my back to that mud mound. It's like something walking behind me, breathing heavy. It's making me want to turn around and look.
Did you go on a bend?
Possibly. When it comes to this stuff back in the day, they tend to do it like the Romans, didn't they, in straight lines. So I'll look at some of the artwork as we go out.
Perfect silhouette.
Yeah, and you know what? At this point, I'm just going to halt the video because I want to take a couple of photos before we leave. After heavy breathing in my ear, realising it weren't Kev, I took these photos. Didn't realise what there was until I got back. And when I got back, I really wish that I would have took the fifth to see what it was. Did you enjoy that, Kevska?
Okay.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Wow, that was exciting. Just as we were leaving, other people were coming into the tunnel for their explore. And Gavin, what makes me think that is them slip marks. Have you been slipping walking up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see all your marks. But yeah, this kind of concludes the video. I'm going to leave it running for a little bit just in case I fall. And at least you can have another laugh at me before the video ends. But yeah, as far as this, it's unusual, spooky. We definitely got some noises when we called out the spirits. Definitely had whispering, heavy breathing. Yeah, there's a lot going on in that place. A real lot. Almost. Oh, almost got me. So there's the top of that. You know how high that was. And I'm probably half that level up again. Just come from that stream all the way down there. Wow. And if I hold the camera level, that's how steep the bank is. Again, if I hold the camera level, that's level. We've just come from right down there. And I mean right. You see that? That yellow there, that's the level we've just been. But all the way down there. My boots look like they feel sorry for themselves. But hey yo. Happy days. Yeah. So this is the path. We're on top of the tunnel now. So this path is literally going across the whole top. Remember when we were coming here, we said it was getting higher and higher. Well, as we're walking in the opposite direction, the hill seems to be getting lower and lower, and I don't understand that. Yes, it ends at a certain spot, but that is not actually where it ends. It's just filled in. And here's that air vent that we looked upon and them photos that you've seen. And then we know, after being inside, that it continues past this, but for some reason this mound ends there. But we know from being inside there that this tunnel continues much further on before we even get to that mound. What a beautiful day. Tiring, that one. Very tiring. Definitely a summer explore when it's more dry. I've seen videos of people sliding down on the back sides of this where it's just all dry. But that is, it can be bone breaking terrain. But anyway, enough of that. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Hit the notification bell. If you'd like to make any comments of anything that you've seen in the video that possibly we didn't see, please point that out. You know, we're all up for, you know, being told things that are in our videos that are there that we've not seen. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.